Let's talk about strawberries. Not just any strawberries, but the ones that are about to embark on a journey of transformation. These are the berries that will soon become the heart and soul of Bonne Maman jam, a treat beloved around the world for its authentic homemade taste. These strawberries are destined for greatness, handpicked for a purpose far beyond the ordinary fruit bowl. Their story is one of care, tradition, and a relentless pursuit of quality. Their journey begins in sprawling, sun-drenched fields, where generations of farmers have perfected the art of strawberry cultivation. Here, only specific varieties are chosen, those known for their deep, ruby-red color, robust sweetness, and intense aroma. The soil, the climate, and the expertise of the farmers all play a crucial role in nurturing these exceptional berries. Experienced hands, guided by years of knowledge, wait patiently for the exact moment of ripeness. Each berry is picked by hand, with gentle care, to avoid bruising the delicate fruit. This attention to detail ensures that every strawberry remains in perfect condition from the very start. Only the best, most vibrant berries are selected. They're carefully placed in shallow trays, never stacked too high to prevent any crushing or damage. This step is vital, as even the slightest imperfection can affect the final jam's flavor and texture. Time is of the essence. Within hours of being picked, the strawberries are swiftly transported to a nearby facility. They travel in refrigerated trucks, kept at just the right temperature to lock in their freshness, flavor, and natural juiciness. At the factory, a new chapter begins. Quality control experts meticulously inspect every shipment, examining each berry for color, size, firmness, and that unmistakable sweet aroma. Their trained eyes and noses ensure that only the finest fruit makes the cut. Only the top-tier berries, the A-team, are approved to move forward. These are the strawberries that will define the jam's flavor, setting it apart from all others. Any batch that doesn't meet these high standards is immediately set aside. There's no room for compromise when it comes to quality. This meticulous selection process ensures that every jar of Bonne Maman jam starts with only the finest, most flavorful fruit. It's a promise of excellence in every spoonful. The journey from field to factory is a race against time, a carefully orchestrated effort to preserve that just-picked flavor and vibrant color. Every minute counts, and every step is designed to protect the integrity of the fruit. Hand-picking and rapid transport aren't just traditions, they're essential steps that guarantee the highest quality. The urgency and care at every stage reflect a deep respect for the fruit and the final product. The entire process is a testament to Bonne Maman's unwavering commitment to excellence. From the field to the jar, every detail matters, and every berry is treated as something truly special. Each berry is chosen with extraordinary care, setting the stage for the jam's signature taste and texture. It's this dedication that makes Bonne Maman jam so unique and cherished. The story of Bonne Maman jam begins long before the factory doors open. It starts in the fields at sunrise with passion, precision, and a love for the craft that's been passed down through generations. Only the best berries are allowed to continue their journey, hand-selected for their perfection and promise. That's how greatness begins. One perfect strawberry at a time, nurtured, selected, and transformed into something extraordinary for you to enjoy. After a careful inspection, the strawberries are ready for their spa day, a crucial step in their journey from field to jar. They're gently washed in cool, purified water. No harsh jets, just a gentle flow that softly lifts away soil, dust, and any lingering debris from the fields. This delicate process helps protect the berry's tender skin, ensuring they remain plump and undamaged. Next, a second rinse with a soft, fine spray ensures every berry is truly spotless. This extra step is vital for removing any remaining particles, guaranteeing that each strawberry is as clean as possible before moving on. The green caps, or calyxes, are then removed by precise automated machines. These machines are designed to leave the fruit intact, preserving the juicy flesh and minimizing waste. After decapping, the berries glide along a brightly lit conveyor belt. Here, human sorters and high-tech optical scanners work side by side, each bringing their own strengths to the sorting process. Imperfect berries, those that are underripe, overripe, or blemished, are swiftly removed by skilled hands and sharp eyes, ensuring only the best make it through. Meanwhile, optical sorters use advanced cameras and lasers to scan each berry, detecting even the smallest flaws or inconsistencies. Any berry that doesn't meet strict quality standards is gently nudged aside. This seamless blend of human expertise and cutting-edge technology guarantees that only flawless strawberries move forward, ready for the next stage of their transformation. Now, clean, cap-free, and perfectly sorted, the berries are ready for their transformation into delicious jam. Each one has passed a series of rigorous checks to ensure only the finest are selected. Every step in this process is about preserving the natural quality, vibrant color, and fresh flavor of the strawberries so that nothing is lost before they reach your table. The process is meticulous but absolutely essential. Attention to detail at every stage means that only the best berries are chosen for the next phase. Only the best make it to the next stage where they'll be transformed into something truly special. The journey continues, one perfect berry at a time, each one a testament to the care and precision of the process. In the end, cleanliness and precision are the foundation of great jam, ensuring every jar bursts with pure, delicious strawberry flavor. With the berries washed and sorted, it's time for prep. Whole strawberries are chopped by specialized machines, ensuring just the right chunky texture for Bonne Maman's signature jam. The size of each piece is carefully controlled, big enough for a rustic feel but easy to spread. Swift chopping minimizes air exposure, preserving color and flavor. Technicians check samples for uniformity, ensuring consistency in every batch. The fruit is weighed with precision, guaranteeing the perfect fruit-to-sugar ratio. Prepared strawberries are quickly transferred to massive steam-jacketed kettles. The goal lock in freshness and set the stage for jam magic. Every step is monitored for quality. The stage is set for the transformation from fruit to jam. Precision here means perfection in every jar. In giant gleaming kettles, the journey of the strawberries begins. Here, mountains of fresh, ripe berries are carefully poured in, ready to be transformed from simple fruit into something extraordinary. Gentle, even heating is the secret. Steam-jacketed technology surrounds the kettles, ensuring the strawberries are warmed slowly and evenly. This method coaxes out their natural juices, intensifying the flavor while preventing any scorching or burning that could dull the taste. Next, pure cane sugar is added, not just for sweetness but as a crucial ingredient that helps preserve the jam and create its signature set. The sugar dissolves into the bubbling fruit, enhancing both flavor and texture. Every batch is measured with scientific precision. The sugar-to-fruit ratio is carefully calculated on digital scales, ensuring consistency and quality in every jar. Pectin and lemon juice are then introduced. Pectin is the natural gelling agent that gives jam its perfect, spreadable texture, while lemon juice brightens the flavor and helps activate the pectin for a reliable set. The mixture is heated with meticulous care, reaching the precise gelling point. Digital thermometers are used to monitor the temperature, ensuring the jam sets perfectly without overcooking. The cooking process is intentionally brief. This preserves the jam's vibrant color and the fresh, bright taste of the strawberries, capturing the essence of summer in every spoonful. Overcooking is carefully avoided. Too much heat or time would dull the flavor and rob the jam of its beautiful ruby-red hue. Experienced jam makers rely on both science and intuition, knowing exactly when the jam has reached its peak, neither too runny nor too firm. Once the jam reaches perfection, it's time for testing. Samples are taken to ensure the texture, flavor, and set are just right. Every ingredient and every step is focused on achieving the ideal balance of sweetness, tartness, and texture, resulting in a jam that's as delicious as it is beautiful. The result is a vibrant, flavorful jam, bursting with the taste of fresh strawberries and the care of expert hands. In every batch, science and tradition blend seamlessly. Modern technology meets time-honored techniques, ensuring each jar is crafted to perfection. The final step is rigorous quality control, where each batch is tested and inspected to guarantee only the best jam makes it to your table. Every batch of jam faces strict quality tests before bottling. Samples go straight from the kettles to the lab, where technicians check sugar content, pH, and viscosity. Instruments like refractometers and viscometers ensure the jam meets exact standards for sweetness, acidity, and texture. Then, expert tasters evaluate flavor, aroma, color, and mouthfeel. Only jam with bright, authentic strawberry flavor and perfect texture passes. Any batch that fails is rejected, no exceptions. This commitment to quality ensures every jar tastes just right anywhere in the world. Science and taste work hand in hand. Consistency is the promise. Only perfection moves forward. The jam is now ready for its iconic jar. While the jam is tested, the iconic glass jars are prepped. Fresh from the manufacturer, jars are cleaned and sterilized to eliminate any trace of bacteria or dust. High-pressure air jets and hot water washes ensure spotless glass. Jars then pass through a sterilization tunnel exposed to intense heat or steam for complete safety. Lids undergo their own rigorous sterilization. Hot, sterile jars move directly to the filling station, still warm to prevent cracking and maintain jam temperature. This heat is crucial for both safety and sealing. Every jar is prepared to receive the jam at its freshest. Cleanliness and temperature control are non-negotiable. The process is seamless and precise. Only the best jars are used. The stage is set for the union of jam and jar. Perfection is in the details. The moment of union arrives. Hot jam is pumped into hot, sterile jars with exact precision by automated fillers. The process is called hot filling. Jam enters at over 85 degrees Celsius, ensuring safety and freshness. Lids are immediately placed and twisted on, creating a vacuum seal as the jam cools. That familiar pop when you open a jar? It's proof of a perfect seal. Jars pass through a cooling tunnel, locking in color and flavor while solidifying the gel. Every jar is now safely sealed and ready for the final touches. Automation ensures consistency and speed. The jam's journey nears its end. Quality is preserved in every step. Next, the iconic look. With jam sealed inside, jars get their signature look. Air drying ensures each jar is spotless for perfect label adhesion. Precision machines apply the elegant script label, Bonne Maman's hallmark of tradition. Then comes the iconic red and white gingham lid, evoking nostalgia and homemade charm. A batch code and best before date are printed for traceability. Every detail is checked for uniformity and quality. The gingham lid is more than decoration. It's a symbol of care and heritage. Now, the jars look as good as the jam tastes. Each is ready for the world to enjoy. The transformation is complete. The final step, getting jam to you. Labeled jars are grouped, packed, and shrink-wrapped by gentle, efficient robots. Packs are stacked on pallets, labeled for tracking and wrapped for safe transport. Pallets move to the warehouse, awaiting shipment by truck, train, or ship. Every step ensures jars arrive intact and fresh. The journey is global, but the care is personal. From field to factory to your table, quality is never compromised. The next time you see that gingham lid, remember the journey behind it. Each jar is a promise of excellence. Enjoy the taste of tradition wherever you are.